Nomies, you know we're all about keeping yummy things in the pantry. Something you could just grab and heat up real quick, especially in the summertime. You don't want to be cooking in the cabin. It gets way too hot. So, hey, we're making some Italian sausage and some pasta sauce. Roll the intro.
You ready? Let's go.
Well, Nomies, the first thing you want to do is get you a mess of Italian sausages. They can be sweet, they can be hot, but most of all, they got to be brown. And 4 of them fit nicely in a quart-sized jar. You could squeeze 5 of them in there, but then you ain't going to get as much sauce. So 4 is perfect for about 2 meals. Next thing, you want to make you some sauce. It can be from a jar or it can be homemade. It's your choice, just as long as it's the one you like. Make sure you get that sauce in them jars up above them sausages. And clean off them rims really good with some vinegar and water before you get them lids on there. Speaking of lids, they should have been on a nice little simmer and boil on the stove, getting hot and sterilized. Then they're ready to go. So there it is. You put them on there just snug enough to put them on. Not too tight, just snug. Then you load them up in your canner. My particular canner fits 7 quarts at a time. We should fit more. Maybe one day we'll get a bigger one. Then you put your lid on. Screw it down nice and tight. Turn up that heat and wait for the steam to start coming out of your little spitter sport over there. Yeah, right there. Once it's popping out of there for about 10 minutes, you get that weight. 10 pounds, pop her on there. Now we play the waiting game. It's got to start going rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-tat. Just like that. Then, set that timer for 90 minutes. When that timer's done, all you gotta do is shut that heat off. Now, you want to make sure you let this thing come cool all by itself. Make sure that poundage is down to 0. And you'll get a perfect batch every time. Just look at them. Just look at them. They are so delicious. Oh yeah. Ready for the pantry. Nomies, we sure hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did making it for you. Since you made it this far, we're thinking you did. So how about doing us a solid and smashing that like button? Thanks. It means a lot. Could you please share it around for us while you're at it? Sharing is an amazing way to help this channel grow. And if you're able to do a little bit more than that, like help us fund some of these larger projects we got going, there are some links down in the descriptions where you can do just that. Since YouTube is running ads on our videos but not sharing the revenue, your support in any way is important to keep these videos coming. And keep the learning and sharing going. Thanks in advance. We are much obliged. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete.
I'm a Nomi, he's a Nomi, she's a Nomi, you're a Nomi, wouldn't you like to be a Nomi?
Put your comment down on the bottom.
Click the subscribe down on the bottom. Click the like button.
Down on the bottom.
make a comment.
Down on the bottom.
Peace out.